Wait at least 24 hours after laying large format tiles before grouting to allow the thinset to cure and the tiles to settle. Large format tiles, defined as tiles larger than 15 inches on any side, require more attention to bedding and curing than smaller tiles because their size magnifies any movement or uneven support. After installing, check that the thinset is no longer tacky by testing a corner of an extra tile or a scrap piece. If it lifts or slides, the thinset needs more time. Maintain consistent joint spacings and use appropriate size spacers to prevent lippage while the adhesive cures. For interior environments at normal room temperature and humidity, waiting at least 24 hours is a reliable rule of thumb, but colder or more humid conditions require additional time, so plan for 48 to 72 hours when in doubt. If rapid set thinset products were used, follow the manufacturer instructions, which may allow shorter waits, but always confirm by touch testing before grouting. When tiling over plywood or other flexible substrates, use a properly installed uncoupling membrane and extend your curing time because substrate deflection can delay full bond development. Common mistakes include grouting too soon, which can trap moisture in the adhesive and cause tiles to shift later. Prevent this by performing a simple tack test and extending the wait time in cool or damp conditions. Another issue is assuming all thinsets cure at the same rate and people skip reading product directions. Always read the technical data sheet and follow its specified cure times for the specific product and job conditions. A third frequent problem is not accounting for substrate movement or deflection under large tiles, leading to cracked grout or tile breakage. Use an uncoupling membrane or backer board on flexible floors and allow extra curing time to ensure the full bond develops. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project articles that explain best practices like proper wait times for grouting large format tile. We help contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange tips, ask questions, and share photos of finished jobs.